Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a lined envelope. Here I'm using a cardstock measuring 6 inches by 9.5 inches, scored at half inches from the top and the bottom, and vertically at 3.5 inches and 7.5 inches. Now I'm cutting along the half-inch score lines and then making an angled cut. Now I'm cutting along the 3.5 inch score line and then again cutting along the half-inch score lines for the top flap. Now I'll make the angle cut in such a way so that it's at the same level as the folded edge. It doesn't need to be very precise, you can just eyeball it. Some people like their envelopes with angled corners. I like mine with rounded corners. Now I'm taking printed cardstock and lining both the outside and the inside of the envelope. It's time to decorate the envelope. I'm distressing this beautiful doily that I have cut in half, and I also used the address label and a sticker that I had created. Now your lined envelope is ready. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please also consider subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.